It's channel update time again, guys, and I can't wait to share all the exciting things that have been happening here at the Underwater Filmmaking School with all of you. Coming up. Hey there, underwater filmmakers, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's channel update, the channel update of July 2022, I have got 3 pieces of news that I want to share with you, and let's not waste any more time and get right into the very first one. I'm very excited and a little proud, I have to say, that Red Bull hired me to be a coach during their past Red Bull Creator Academy camp that was held here in or close to Zurich about 2 weeks ago. The main topic of the Creator Camp was water, so that's where my part came in, and I was able to share my knowledge when it came to filming and taking photos underwater with the 6 hand-picked young and very talented creators that were invited to join the Creator Academy. We had a blast and a lot of fun during the 2.5–3 days that the Creator Academy lasted, and it was just really cool to be able to pass on the knowledge that I've got when it comes to taking photos and filming underwater to these young and very motivated creator talents. I will be creating a separate video just about the Red Bull Creator Academy Pro Camp. I will be talking about what we did inside the camp, what the outcome was that the participants came up with. I will also show you some behind the scenes material, and I will also give you some tips and tricks that might help you to land clients and gigs like this one, if this is something that interests you. If you don't want to miss out on this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, so you get notified when this video gets uploaded, which will happen in the next couple of weeks. Now, the second piece of information, the second news that I want to share with you today is my summer sale. I have decided to introduce a summer sale to all my digital products, like for example my Learn to Film Underwater online course, as well as my LUT packs for the GoPro and the Paralens Vaquita cameras. I know the summer vacations are just in front of our doorstep or just around the corner, and I just wanted to give you something to help you capture those memories that you're going to be making on your summer diving vacations in the best possible way. So if you've looked at getting the Learn to Film Underwater course, but it was a little too expensive for you, now might be just the right time to do so. You can sign up to the Learn to Film Underwater course right now for only 49 euros. That's a saving of 80% compared to its regular price. It is still a lifelong access, and you will get also access to all the benefits that are included within the online course. As I mentioned, the LUT packs are also discounted, and you can get them for 19 euros each right now, compared to the 29 euros that they're regularly priced. Also, I have a combination offer for you. If you want to get the Learn to Film Underwater course together with one of the LUT packs, you can get them for a total of 59 euros, and you can save yourself a couple extra bucks there rather than buying them individually. These discounted prices are valid for the first 100 purchases each, or at the latest until July 15th. So if you don't want to miss out on your chance to save big, make sure to click the links down in the video description below and sign up for the online course, or get yourself your LUT pack, which is going to help you color correct your Vaquita or your GoPro footage. And last but not least, probably the most exciting news I've got for you today. I am co-hosting a group trip with my dear friend James from Divers Ready, and we are taking you in October-November 2023 to the beautiful underwater world of the Coral Triangle in the Philippines. It is finally happening. We've put everything together and we're really excited to announce this, this group trip that we're gonna be hosting together. We have a total of 20 spots available, and from what I know, there is already about 10 or so sold, so we've only got about 10 spots left for this trip. All the details to this trip, you can find it in the booklet that is going to be linked down in the video description below. There's also a sign-up form attached to the booklet that you can fill in and send back to either James or myself in order to book your spot for the trip. And I suggest you do that rather earlier than later if you really want to come along for this trip. Now, the place that we're going to be going to is the Atlantis Resort, which is a stunningly beautiful resort in Puerto Galera, and this is right in the middle of the Coral Triangle. We'll be able to get some amazing macro dive sites there, but there's also going to be some larger wildlife to look at. So it is, from the diving perspective, it is an absolute diver's dream and also a photographer's or underwater videographer's dream to be able to dive in these waters. There's gonna be some workshop related elements within the group trip. James as well as myself will be doing some evening presentations, and there's also going to be the option of booking an extra one-on-one lesson with either James to work on your general diving skills or with myself to work on your underwater imaging skills. I can't tell you how happy and excited I am about this trip and how much I'm looking forward to be diving with James and some of you together in the Coral Triangle in the Philippines. So if this group trip sounds like your cup of tea, make sure to fill in that sign-up form right away, send it back to me so I can make sure to reserve one of the few spots for you, and I'm really looking forward to diving with you in the Philippines in October, November next year. One more thing before I let you go, something that is long overdue. If you remember, in one of the past channel updates, I asked you, or I announced that I was going to be changing from my current underwater video setup, the Panasonic GH5S in a Nauticam housing, to a complete new setup, and I put the question out there for you to guess which setup I was going to be getting. And I received a lot of responses there. People were saying the C70, the R5, the Blackmagic Cinema Pocket 6K, amongst some other cameras that were mentioned there. But no one guessed the camera that I actually got. It is this little baby here. Yes, I did buy a RED Komodo. And so far I can say I don't regret it at all. It is a dream to work with this underwater. I really love it. The reason why I made the upgrade from the Panasonic GH5S to the RED Komodo in my gates housing here, this is a topic that I will be discussing with you and sharing my thoughts about this with you in a separate video. Again, if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you get notified when that video pops up. And there you go, that's all I've got for you today. Did I promise too much? I don't think so. I'm really excited about everything that's happening here on the channel and with the Underwater Filmmaking School at this moment. There's a lot more things that we're going to be talking about in upcoming videos, and I've got a lot more for you coming up in terms of reviews, tutorials, and so on. So if you are enjoying the content on this channel here and you don't want to miss out on all the future stuff that's going to be uploaded here, please do make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, as always, don't forget to hit the like button. You know it means a lot to me. Thank you so much, guys, for your time and for watching. I wish you a fantastic week. Enjoy capturing your underwater adventures, and I will see you next week.